So I was just telling my fellas here how it is so many workers around the ship that are working so hard, but we don't really get to highlight those people. Some people don't even say hi to them. They clean up all day after us. They cook. I mean, the pizza guy, I'm gonna try to run into him today, but I saw him there all day yesterday making pizza. Most of the time he was alone, and he was trying to make those pizzas so fast, and people waited a while, but I looked at it like, hey, this guy is working by himself. So I'm gonna try to meet some of the staff around the ship and just get to know them a bit. So let's go try to talk to some of them. I'm not running into anybody just yet, but I see them all around the ship, working hard, cleaning the tables. But I'm almost guaranteed that the pizza guy is still back there working. He probably didn't even go to sleep yet. Canberra, George.
Yes.
How long have you been working on the cruise ship?
Cruise ship, 15 years.
Oh my goodness, 15 years. And did you get on the Carnival Horizon when it first came to sea?
Of course, I now grew him.
Ah.
So we went to Italy, so we moved to Europe. We had a very special cruise for 21 days.
Wow.
And after Europe, you came back. We
Nice.
came back to New York. It's a very wonderful place.
And how long will you be on here?
Right now, 4 months.
4 more months?
I think two more months remaining to come home for vacation.
Oh, yes. You have to do vacation too.
Oh, really?
Well, nice to meet you, George, from Peru.
What about you? What's your name?
Ah, my name is Ebony.
Yeah.
Oh, Indonesia?
You know about my country?
Yes. How long have you been working in the cruise industry?
This 3 years.
3 years. And how long will you stay on the horizon?
This only one cruise.
Yeah,
Because
only
on
one.
The New York I am sent on.
Oh, okay. So
Before India on the Miracle on the Long Beach.
nice. Okay, so you're gonna leave here, and where you gonna go after?
Yeah.
Long Beach?
Before this horizon I'm on the Miracle on the Long Beach.
Oh, I see. Okay. Well, thank you. And how do you pronounce your name? Lily?
Lily.
Lily. Okay, Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you.
What's your name?
Tariq.
Tariq. How long have you been on the Carnival Horizon?
2 years.
2 years in the industry, working on cruise ships? Oh, so how much longer do you have before you take a vacation?
I think only 2 months, 3 months.
3 more months. Okay. So gotta hang in there.
Yes.
Then you can rest.
Yes.
Then you can get a rest.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
And where are you from?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Okay, great. Not you, you're shy. See, you could have been famous. Now, this is Shirley. Where are you from, Shirley?
From the Philippines.
Philippines. And how long have you been working on a cruise ship?
14 years.
How long?
14 years.
14 years? That's amazing. And have you been on the ship since it started sailing?
No, I just got.
You just got
We are in
on.
the best at that time.
Oh, and who do we have here?
Shelby.
Shelby. Shirley Shelby. Okay. And where are you from?
England.
England. And how long have you been working on a cruise ship?
Nearly 2 years.
2 years. And how much longer will you have before your vacation?
I leave September 22nd.
September. And you?
Oh, next year.
Next year? So are you going to stay here or they're going to rotate you to the other ships?
No, I stay here.
Oh my gosh. So you guys can find
And who knows, I come
Shirley
back
here.
again.
Oh my gosh. So at Camp Ocean, you guys can find Shirley because she'll be here.
Oh, yes.
You guys are great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
From Philippines.
Philippines. How long have you been on the Carnival Horizon?
3 contract.
Really? And how long are you going to stay on this ship?
8 months.
8 months? Oh, cool. Okay, so when you guys come, say hi to, how do you say your name? Jesus. Okay, I didn't want to mispronounce it. And you're from the Philippines. Okay, nice to meet you. We'll see you later. Abel. We're meeting all of the crew on the Carnival Horizon. Everyone that's working so hard. So, do you always work on the 6th floor? Or are you moving around?
In the morning, 6 floor.
Ah, in the morning.
Take 1.
How long have you been on the Carnival Horizon?
10 years.
10 years, but they just built the ship. You just got on this one. And how long are you going to work before your vacation?
6 or 7 months.
More months.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, we got a long way to go. Well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Abiel?
Abia.
Okay, I said it right. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
My name is Ebony.
Ebony.
Yes, so I give all of the crew acknowledgement for all their hard work. So everybody knows who you are. So you're famous now.
Okay.
Take care. What is this?
It's like an elephant.
Did you make this, Johan? Did you make this? You didn't make this? Take the credit. Say, yes, I did. I like this one. This is cool.
Which one you want?
I'll take him. He's cute. This right here is Daniel. He's been working so hard. Sorry. Hey, Daniel. You've been working so hard this cruise. So I had to show all the people your hard work. Did you get a lunch break today? Yes?
I just started.
You just started? Okay, good. So that means you got sleep, right? All right. Well, you're doing a great job. All right. You took our pictures the other night, right?
On the stairs.
So how many jobs do you have? What are you doing now?
Oh, I'm doing lessons.
See, this guy is always ready. Oh gosh, he's doing the dance for us. Well, how long have you been dancing on these cruise ships? How many years?
22 years.
22 years. Oh my gosh. This is Melson.
Mel
And let's
Gibson,
see.
yeah.
Mel Gibson. You guys come see Mel Gibson when you come on the Carnival Horizon. He's great. Okay, he's not shy. So this is John. Oh wait, he has to fix himself. Hold on, guys. He has to fix himself. We'll wait. Okay, guys. John is here. So we want to know how long you've been on the Carnival Horizon. Have you been on it since day one, or did you just get here this week?
Yeah, since the day one since in Europe.
Since Europe. And how long have you been working on cruise ships?
I've been working Carnival Cruise Line since 7 years.
7 years? Oh my gosh. So when is your vacation?
Vacation's gonna be by the end of September or first week by October.
End of September. Okay, so you have some ways to go.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for being a part of our video, and keep on working hard. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
So what did you guys think about that? Wasn't that totally cool? By the way, my name is Tina. I'm the hip cool one, if you want to remember me by name. The hip cool one, Tina. All right, guys. Well, I'm out of here. Hope to see you next time. And until then, continue to party like a party animal or a party towel. Matter of fact, a party animal.